I'm running here in series. Let's assume I want to push the signal. It's too clean. I need to push it, give it more saturation before processing mid-side. What are my options? My options are, in this configuration, is to push the input drive in the mid, push the input drive for the side equally. This is one way. Another way is to insert another plugin, another P42 plugin as the starter, and just turn off all the filters, turn off all the saturation, and simply think of it like this, DI, and I just push it to 3 dB as a first instance, and then it goes into this series of mid-side. So these are my two options. Here comes the advanced feature. You have to think of the input drive here as, because it's a dual functioning, the second function it does is actually the input drive at the beginning of the signal. Entering the P42, you're saturating it. So I turn this off, and now I saturate it 4, 5, 6 dB, whatever. So this is the saturation that I'm talking about before entering. But if I click back on the input drive for the mid signal, I'm at 0. I haven't started the process. So here we go. Similarly, the input drive, since I pushed it 5, 6 dB, the whole signal, I need to bring it cleanly 5, 6 dB. And the output is clean, doesn't have the harmonics. So when I take it out, and that's your main out that combines everything going back to stereo, and it's somewhere here. I'm pointing it out, and that's where you will lower it. So I pushed it 5, 6 dB. Now I push back 5, 6 dB. Now I want to start. I balanced it. Now the whole signal is thick, and now I want to process the mid. So I'm in mid, and I'm in mid. So look, I pushed my input drive X dBs, and I lowered them by X dBs. I'm still balancing my signal. And then I go to the dual function, and now I process mid input drive if I want, and then I process mid main out.